How to color grade in CapCut. Want to make your video look cinematic? Let's color grade in CapCut. So first, go ahead and import your clip. Open CapCut, start a new project, and add your video. Now step 2, go ahead and look for the adjustment. You basically find it at the right side of your screen. And then under this, you'd be able to find the tools you'll need for color grading. So in here, you need to tweak basic settings, lower brightness slightly, increase contrast for depth, and adjust saturation for balanced colors. Use HSL tool, fine-tune specific colors, darken greens for outdoor shots, or shift blues for cooler tones. Apply curves, create an S-curve to boost contrast and give your footage a cinematic look. You can also add filters, choose cinematic presets like warm or retro, and then refine with manual adjustments. Preview your graded video. If consistent across clips, export in 1080p or 4K for best quality.